Okay, let's get Flipgrid set up for everyone. So I'm going to make the video start right here where you probably are. This is where you've just clicked on the screen that said watch this video. So I was there too. Then you're going to go to your browser and just open a new window. And you're going to go to flipgrid.com. There you go. Okay, here it is. Okay, now you're going to go to enter a flip code. Go right here, enter a flip code, oops, sorry. And it's for this course, this is the EDUC 150 Child, Family, and Community course. If you have more than one course with me, you'll have to get the code from that canvas. Each course has its own flip code. Okay, so it's reads 9072 for this class, and you click enter. And look at that, it's us. Okay, so this has my name right here because I am the instructor for this. This introductions is our first video we're going to make. So once you're here, you're there. I mean, it's that easy. You just flipgrid.com, reads 9072, then you're going to get right here where you have to click the plus button to make your video. And it's going to ask, oh, wait, who are you? I have to know you're a real person. So you're going to have to get either a Google, like a Gmail account, or a Microsoft account so that it can like send you a code. So if I click login with Google, it's going to go to all the people who've logged in on my phone. You know, like I can't use me because it knows I'm the instructor. So if I click on my son Jonathan's email, hi Jonathan, enter your password, and then it'll send to his email a code. All right, so if you get to this step right here, this is where you're going to get stuck if you don't already have a Google account or a Microsoft account where it can send you the like pass key to make sure you're a real person. Once you do that, you're golden. So if I click on login with Google, I'm going to go ahead and click on as me. Login successful, so he knows who I am because I've already done this. And so now here I am. I could start making this video right now. I could start recording. You only get a minute and 30 seconds on these. This probably looks really weird on your screen because you probably can see me videoing me, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, that's it. So we're going to use Flipgrid just for real simple quick videos. As you can see, they're only a minute and 30 seconds. So this is going to be the one where I have you do the introduction. Go back to our assignment here. This is where you're just going to do your brief introductory video. I do realize that mine was like a PowerPoint and had a bunch of stuff about the class, so it's not really the sample video. I'll make one in Flipgrid also so that when you get there you can see mine. There's nothing to submit on this assignment sheet right here. It's just the codes and the instructions, but I have to create an assignment like this right here in Canvas, and then I put it in the module that you all clicked in to get here. You all got it right here. So that's so I can give you the points for doing it. Even though there's nothing to do here. You're going to do it in Flipgrid. I'm going to give you the points on this screen, okay? But Flipgrid's going to make a little deck where we can see everybody's videos like all at the same time, and you just click, 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 and watch all the little introductory videos from your classmates, and it's going to be great. Okay, so if you have any trouble with this, please email me like right away because I need to know if it's not functioning. This is the first time I've used this, so if we run into major technical difficulties, I will definitely make adjustments on the due date and get you some more instructions if need be. But I'm really hopeful that this is going to work nice and smooth. Alrighty, good luck.